we're to our first song. And I want you to know throughout the DVD and book, we'll be using two different time signatures. We'll be using the 3/4 timing, which is typically called waltz time. I'll demonstrate that on the next song. And this song is in 4/4 time, so that's the main rhythm that we'll be using throughout the book. This first song is Tom Dooley. It's in 4/4 time. It uses the quarter strum, and we're using only two chords here. We're using the blue, which is played with the pinky, and we're using the red, which is played with your ring finger. Okay? We're at 90 beats per minute, so I'm going to start the metronome. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lay down your head, Tom Dooley. Lay down your head and cry. Lay down your head, Tom Dooley. Poor boy, you're bound to die. Again. Lay down your head, Tom Dooley. Lay down your head and cry. Lay down your head, Tom Dooley. Poor boy, you're bound to die. 2, 3, stop. Very good. That's fun, isn't it? All right, we're to our second song. This is Oh My Darling Clementine, and it is a 3/4 song. So 3/4 timing is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That is 3/4 timing. This is another 2-chord song. We're just using the blue, which is G, and your ring finger, which is red, and that is your D chord. We're at 90 beats per minute, and I have adjusted the metronome to be in 3/4 time. So here we go. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine. You are lost and gone forever. Dreadful sorry Clementine. Again. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine. You are lost and gone forever. Dreadful sorry Clementine. 2, 3, stop. Excellent job.